In this video, I'm going to show you how to send an email in Gmail on your iPhone. So this can be really useful if you want to send and receive emails. Now, the first thing you need to do is go and load up the App Store on your phone. Click on the search box in the bottom right-hand side, and then using the search box, we're going to type in Gmail and then press search. You then need to go and download the Gmail email by Google. You can see I already have this downloaded, and once it's finished downloading, you can just press open. Now make sure you're signed in to the correct Gmail account. You can click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, and from here you can go and switch between your different Google accounts. Now to create an email, just click the compose button in the bottom right hand side, and this just basically means create new email. So the first thing we need to do is go and type out an email address of the person you want to send this email to. If you have this person already in your contacts, then you can also search for their name, and once you have the contact selected, you can then click on subject. Now go and give your email a subject, so this is just the title of the email, and then finally you can go and enter a description, which is the body of your email. So this is where you go and type out all of your text. Now once you've finished composing your email, you can click on the attach icon in the top right hand side, and you can decide to attach photos or files to this email as well. Now to go and send this, we just need to press the send button in the top right hand side, and that's going to send this email to that contact. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.